how to create Netflix account, netflix.com account sign up tutorial. Now if you want to go ahead and then first of all make sure to create a Netflix account, what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your browser, or you can use the Netflix app, but I recommend you open your browser and go to netflix.com. Now once you're here, you can see the option called email address, and what you have to do is from here just enter the email address that you want to use for your Netflix account. So go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address you'd like to use. Then after that, make sure you have access to the email, by the way. Then just tap on the get started button. Once you tap on get started, over here you can see finish setting up your account. Then over here you can just tap on the next option right there. Now it will ask you to simply choose and create a password. So let me go ahead and then create a password as well. Once you create a password, just tap on the next option right here and make sure you remember the password. Next step is to choose a plan. So tap on next. You can choose the mobile plan, basic plan, standard plan, and the premium, which is the most expensive and most popular plan. So depending upon whichever plan it is according to the price range and features that you're seeking, you can select that and tap the next option. Finally, you have to simply confirm your payment method using your credit or debit card. Then after that, your Netflix account will be successfully created. This way you can create a Netflix account and sign up. I hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.